Okay.
I think so.
We are here in the kitchen of the Butlers, where we're gonna have a dance off with Heather the Cakes from Stony Brooklyn.
My hometown is ballin'.
And then we're gonna have Kurt.
Yeah, I'm fucking fresh, yo.
From Brooklyn, the Harlem, the bad parts. Dance off of breaking. Ready? Let's get first up is Kurt from Brooklyn. Go! And that was Kurt from Brooklyn. Now for Heather from Stony Brooklyn.
Yeah, ballin'! Ballin', ballin', ballin'! And where? Ready? And
You gotta break dance. Your pants are falling off totally. And that was Heather with her break dance. Now, I decide who wins.
No, we need the final round.
Oh.
Dance off.
And it's tied. Therefore, we need a final round to decide who wins.
My Stony
First is Kurt from Brooklyn.
No, Stony Brook. Yeah,
Stony.
let's go.
Okay, go break dance.
See me rolling.
And that was Funky Fresh Kurt from Brooklyn. Now here's Heather from Stony Brooklyn.
See me rolling.
And I think it's unanimous. Who won? Can we give it up for Kurt from Brooklyn?
What the? Yeah. What the heck was that? What the fuck? And the and the
Oh my god.
Alright, we're done.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You're done.
I had too much soda. I had like 3 glasses of soda.
Yeah, Heather.